Hey nerds, this is just a silly little video. Not really silly, but this is a used eBay purchase that I got, and this isn't like a deck been longing for. It's one that I was familiar with when it came out, and it's gone on a print, and I never got it, and then I saw it on eBay recently, and it was like super inexpensive, and I said, hey, why not? Because I think I didn't get it back when because it was a pip deck. I think it's a pip deck. And so back when this came out, which would have been, I think the early 2000s, I wasn't reading that way. So this is one of those situations where it's actually cool because it's unopened. Which is fun. So it's like an out-of-print deck that's never been used or touched. But we're going to use it and touch it now. So this is called Tower of the Dead, and it is a Dias de los Muertos themed deck that sort of predates like the Santa Muerte by a fair number of years. I don't even remember when. 2004. So this is like almost 20 years that it came out. So much plastic. Oh my god. So here we have the deck. This is like old school Llewellyn. So we have the little booklet and the deck, and then this was what you were supposed to store your cards in back then. And they were always way larger. And then it came with like a little baggy situation. So let's just look at some cards. So it's the titles are in Spanish and in English. Oh, this is sticking to make it. Like, I definitely remember liking this deck when it came out and just being like, I don't think I can use it, and I think it's because it was a pip deck. But we will find out for sure. Zoom in. So everything is skeletons in this deck, which is fun to me. So here we have the Fool, the Magician, the High Priestess, the Empress, the Emperor. This is sort of what I was talking about in the Fifth Spirit thing. Like, sometimes when you make things super modern, they get kind of dated. Like, who has a computer that looks like that anymore? The Hierophant with pink flamingos. The Lovers. This is very witty. The Chariot. Justice with a big old gun. Damn. The Hermit. I really like this Hermit. The Wheel of Fortune. It's a bicycle. Strength is 11 in this deck. The Hanged Man. This is Death. That's funny. I was like, is this from another deck? Temperance. The Devil. The Tower. The Star. The Moon. The Sun. Judgment, and the World. And this is the backs, by the way. And so now let's look at the minors. So here we have the King of Pens is the suit. The Queen of Pens, which I quite like that as a suit title. The Knight of Pens. And the Page of Pens. So we're going to go backwards. Here's the Ten of Pens. So it is a pip deck. And that would be why I didn't get it back then. 5, 4, 3, 2, ace. Love that ace. So here we have the King of Coffins. I'm assuming that's cups. The Queen of Coffins. Knight. And Page. And then here we have the pips, the 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pistols would be, I would imagine, swords. Queen. Page. 10. 7. 6. 5. 4. And ace. And then finally we have reels. Like movie reels. Queen. The page. 10. 9. Reels is an interesting choice. I think all of the other ones kind of make sense. This one's a little unusual to me. Like, why not just use coins? I don't know what reels necessarily have to do with dead things. And there are a couple spread cards. Oh, it's the same spread in English and in Spanish. So there we have it. There's the long out of print, but kind of cool, and probably easy to, I mean, this was probably no more than $15 or $20. Tarot of the Dead by Monica Knighton from 2004. And, yeah, fun little deck. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye. Be good.